Mini air cooler. Switch the machine on and off with one button. Visual display screen. 3-speed wind regulation. Pour in water. Visual tank. Rest more comfortably. Portable air conditioners do not occupy desktop space. Adjustable wind blades, cool and refreshing. Adjustable LED lighting.